So here we are. This time I'm at the beach at Garmouth. Now I've forgotten my camera, so came out hoping to get a lot of wildlife and forgot the camera. This is the phone I'm using, and so I'll just tell you about the wildlife. So anyway, we saw two stone chats on the gorse, and that was further up the track here. We're going to walk along that track up to the rifle range and back. And we saw a flock of goldfinches, quite a large flock, maybe about 40 birds, 50 birds, feeding on the sea thrift seeds and the other seeds in the short grass. And we also saw, it was just up in the, above the sea, so to speak, seagulls, 3 of them, 2 mobbing the other, and eventually this poor one dropped this bit of fish, and the other one dived down and got the fish. So, apart from that, that's all we've seen. So, lovely view here though, Spey Bay. Garmouth rather. Spey Bay's there. Just getting dark now. See the hill there? The wee bump, Ben Hill. That's where I was born. Just about 1 mile from the Ben Hill. First hill I've ever climbed. Oh, something else we found today was a thistle. So I got a photograph of it, and I will identify it when I get home. So here's the thistle. And that's it. Had a nice day. Heading home now. What's the time? It's 4:05 and it's getting a bit dark already.